Check. Okay, let's go. Today, a little bit of mixture of different news. I'm just gonna show you coins that they didn't go yet. Okay, where is Bitcoin and what other coins may go. So far, these coins, which I used to show you since the last, I don't know, week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks, okay, went dramatically up. Some of them, like GameSwift, today have kind of nice run up. But let's go and see what is in the market. Hello and welcome, my name is Matthew and this is a Crypto Bear Trap. So everything I want to say here is non-financial advice. Remember, you are always pressing your own button. Nobody is kind of looking after you. So let's go quickly to where is the Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is now at the level of this wave 4, I think, or we are trying to break this barricade here. And I think maybe today we will try to achieve, maybe tomorrow at night, we will try to achieve that, because look how many times we were knocking to that barricade. So I think it's going still up. The reason I'm telling this is like we are going up, higher lows, okay? As long as we're not going to break this trend line, everything is fine. If this trend line will go down, we have a nice liquidations. There are plenty of good offers now when it comes to Black Friday. If you are missing some tools, just browse through these websites, buy yourself. It's very good opportunity. Very good opportunity. Okay, so let's just check where we have our stop losses here. So look, there is a very good at 34,000. There is a very good range of stop losses. So we can see 34,033, perfect. 33,500. We have our level here. Perfect. If the price will go here, nice, really nice. So Bitcoin dominance is going down. Altcoins dominance is going up, but Ethereum dominance is going up. And we're gonna look at Ethereum today. So let's go to Ethereum to BTC pair. Look, Ethereum to BTC pair, if you are looking at this side, if you're looking at this side, we are in very big cup and handle pattern, where at the moment we are at this beautiful range here, underneath the value area low, okay? So look, how this Ethereum is just undervalued versus Bitcoin. Now, if Bitcoin will reach its tops, what do you think? How these other people will think when they're gonna see that the Ethereum is for 0.055 of Ethereum? They will switch their money to Ethereum. That's why when we're gonna look at the cycles, a run-up of Bitcoin is then accompanied with a run-up of Ethereum, about 2 weeks delay. In between, we have an altcoins rally. So still, we are in the good range. Remember, this wave, when we are now on this entire crypto market, will have its correction as well. I think after December, in the mid of December, because people have to cash out, people have to pay taxes, people have to buy some Christmas shoppings, okay? And then we are at the maximum levels of increase of the price increase. So like the correction it's just natural. This won't be going, to infinity. Let's just take a look at the true. I don't know, do you remember? We were looking at the true, and I'm not in true anymore, but I see now the true is growing. I'm not gonna enter that trade anyway now. If somebody is, then congratulations. What I'm looking is that Chainlink, for example, is doing nice corrective pattern. Now, it looks like it's doing something like this, okay? So it may be doing something like this when we're gonna go sideways. But at the moment, we have a nice corrective here, and I'm not sure, I just have to wait 1 day more. Are we going to go sideways like I have here? or we're gonna do something like this. So then we're gonna have a nice descending triangle, which I think is gonna break to the upside. Why I'm not saying that the Bitcoin, that the link will fall? Because I don't see any impulse wave here. I just don't see. I see, if you see A, B, C, it's not an impulse. Impulse is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't see that thing. Normally, when you see that the price doing something like this, and then bam, that's the impulse. For me, that is the impulse. For me, it's a 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5. Okay, something like this. So have this thing in mind. It's good to kind of hear some sort of options. Now, which coin didn't go yet? I'm looking at PHA. I actually started my position now. So if you're watching this now, plus maybe 7 hours, I don't know if you want. Look, this is a nice cup and handle pattern. I'm counting that PHA could go like this. Why I'm saying this? Because 2 weeks ago I was showing coin which is a Parsak, yeah, and we were looking at this coin here, okay, and this coin was didn't go. No, it went here a little bit and didn't go. Suddenly today, when I'm not in the coin, since 50 cents, it went almost 100%. So I'm counting on this one. This is a small coin, AI, didn't go yet anywhere, okay, and so on. Another coin, VXV, I have that coin, but after this pump, I am taking out my profits, goodbye. This token, according to me, have no usage. I was reading white paper, and I will strongly think that better to leave that coin. This project gonna have another coin, and then that another coin have its use case. So I would say something like this. FET, nice going upwards, but look, we have our darkish here momentum, and if we're gonna break this cup and handle pattern, okay, watch out, because then FET will just go to another reality, okay, another reality. And I would finish on these two coins. Oh, another coin I'm looking at is the Mask, okay, Mask Network. I'm just gonna look. Very nice consolidation pattern here. I just don't know what I'm going to tell you more. It's just consolidation. And another coin is Alice. Alice has an increase of the volume, and I actually started trading Alice, and I see a good movement here. Why I'm seeing good movement here? I can show you here on the Alice. Look, on the sentiment networks, we can see on-chain very high volumes. You remember when I was showing you REN? And we could see that sort of volume, and I said, watch out, something's happening in REN, something's happening in REN. Suddenly REN went berserk, I think 95%, you remember right? Okay, 95%. We can also check Alice on social activity. Okay, these tools, I love these tools. I love these tools. Like social activity, not too good, but the social activity boom is just here. Everyone is started talking about Alice, but I don't see daily active addresses on a very high level. I don't see them yet. However, number of hodlers, look, growing. People are buying. So why not? Let's just go here. Look, Jack Ma has its plan to cut his Alibaba stake after shares in a Chinese e-commerce giant drop. So Jack Ma hold on with his decision because stocks were dropped, okay? China guides banks to cap early 2024 loans, okay? Shifts on forward. So they need more liquidity now. It's a signal that something is going on. China stimulus-led property rally meets skeptical investors. So, look, these properties developers, yeah, they are asking for extension in the debt, bonds in the debt denominated in dollars to the December of 2024. You remember when I was telling you that they don't have this money, and it's going to be very interesting when the US side, the people who borrowed money in dollars, they will have to bend over and agree on some conditions, because if not, they won't gonna get that money. Like these companies now, they are bankrupt. It's just only a kind of dead man's extension. That's what it is. Okay, these companies, they don't have the money, but if they have the agreement that they can pay these bonds, these loans within a year time, okay, it's fine. They don't have to state bankruptcy, because if they're gonna state bankruptcy, other companies will have to state bankruptcy, and they're gonna be a biggest chaos. The biggest chaos means that a lot of EU and US banks, pension funds, hedge funds, or whatever, will go bust because they're going to have a huge losses. That's how the system works. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Nobody is looking after. Everything is fine. This system is just going berserk. Best Buy cuts sales forecast. Lowy cuts sales outlook. What do you think? Jeff Bezos is selling more Amazon stocks. German budget crisis depends within freeze on the new spending. Like, what do you think? Is the economy around the world is getting fine? Oh wow, it's getting fine. Oh my God, it's getting fine. I don't think so. I don't think so. They are measuring inflation, okay, year to year. They're not measuring inflation. They are measuring just the inflation. It's like a gas pedal. They are measuring the gas pedal. If the gas pedal is on, okay, it means let's say 10% on, or it's off, 2%. Oh, if it's 2%, we can press the gas pedal again. We don't know how big the inflation is because they are showing us the data year to year. You know, changes to year. It's a dynamic change of inflation year to year. In a 1 year, we have inflation 10%, okay? In another year, we have a different inflation. So the dynamic between these 2 years, let's say it's 5%, okay? Oh yeah, inflation is going down. No, it's not going down. It's not going down. It's not going down. We are not measuring inflation. We are making inflation actions based on inflation dynamic, not based on inflation level. Do you understand? Car is driving, so you can see how fast you are going because you have a gauge, yes, speedometer. But in economy, we are measuring gas pedal. You are pressing gas pedal, okay, you're going faster, but you know how fast you're going. In economy, we're pressing gas pedal at the 2%, we can print more money to 10%, but we don't know how fast we are going. The only thing this tells me is just unemployment is at the record low, and usually it means recession, okay? Like, look, 50% of my trucks, this guy works for a courier, yeah? DHL or FedEx, yeah? Trucks is parked, never saw in the last 18 years. So you see, everyone is just getting destroyed. Everyone's getting destroyed. Crypto waves, go on this website, Crypto Waves, because it's a nice website and you can see very quickly which coins are in a good RSI position, okay? This is very interesting news. X, so Twitter, restricts CZ's account after he changed his name. And he changed his name from CZ Binance to CZ BNB. You get me? He changes from Binance because the new guy takes over and CZ is going away from Binance. And he changes to BNB. Like, this is decentralized network, and decentralized, it's a blockchain. CZ used to tell in 2019, 19, and 20 that the years of centralized exchanges are numbered. The true future is between DEXs. That's why they created the Binance Smart Chain. That's why KuCoin created Super Chain or something like this. Yeah. Look, so maybe CZ now is going to expand BNB. Maybe this battle is just starting. I don't know. We will see. We will see. That's very, very strange. Like, I wouldn't be changing CZ Binance to CZ BNB if I were him. Like, come on. Like, I would just change it CZ my man, for example. You know, but something strange. Okay. And new CEO of Binance says exchange fundamentals are very strong. Now, yeah, CZ is gone. Well, everything is fine. I'm from World Economic Forum. Everything is fine, guys. Everything's fine. Nothing to look here. Okay. Watch out, because our signal about FET funding rate to US to 2-yearly yield from the bonds is showing us that some new signals are coming, that it would be nice to have some sort of justification to print more money. And here we are. Look, in China, mystery pneumonia without the cough. Oh my God. So the last episode was you are not sick, but you are sick. Okay. So without the symptoms, you may be sick. Funny. Okay. It's a funny. You didn't eat this biscuit, but you eat that biscuit. Okay. Bitcoin's rise above 40,000 inevitable follows Binance settlement. So people are saying once the Binance settlement is done, there will be no chasing. But I think it's a new kind of era. I would say that this, what happens to Binance, will happen to each exchange. They will try to destroy it the same way. So what will happen if Kraken will get that sort of a bill to pay? It will be gone. We will see. I don't know. We will see. if this is so positive that the World Economic Forum is taking over Binance, well, the only place for me is the DEXs, okay? So here we're gonna see ourselves trading on the DEXs. Take care, see you, and goodbye.